Alrighty, guys, we are back. We are back. We are back. Back like a heart attack. Wonder if I could turn this thing upside down, like you see. Try that. I'm gonna mute the mic. It's gonna make a lot of noise. Okay, the problem now is I can't see the screen. So, and it's right in front of my face. So maybe put this thing in a weird position like such. We can move the arm down and turn it a little more that way. Now the problem is can't tilt it. I need to turn it that way. It worked better before, and now I've got it so jacked up. So, whoa. Let's try this. Let's turn it this way. This gives us a different degree of rotation. Wish I had one more axis of rotation. But doing it like that, we can then turn it this way. This is actually fairly reasonable, I think. And then by mounting this on this piece, I would endorse this like mic stand, but I've never tried another one to know if there's better out there, so I don't want to recommend something that I've literally only tried one of. This is not the direction I want. I want it to go the opposite direction. I want it to go this way. What's up, Hassan? Boy, this is like cluster. Okay. Maybe we strap this sucker to this side. And then we can bring this guy around here like such. So before I had it to where I could tilt this thing different ways, and I can't do that now. I mean, this is like sufficient enough, I think. Maybe that'll work. I mean, it seems to work. It's also not in my face. It is right in front of my face, but that's not the worst thing. I had it before where I could change the angle in a different degree, and that was really nice. And I don't know how I did that. I think I just had it. A little bit of 45, which allowed me to control it as such. It's kind of like a little bulky in my face. I don't know if I like it, but nevertheless, I think this will work. I mean, I'm sure you guys can hear me, so let me actually pull up chat because I can't. And it pops up on the screen, but if I don't see it when it comes up, then I miss it completely. Appreciate everybody that's tuning in. So let's see if I want to clean some things up. So we're not using products anymore, so that's fine. I do want to run npm run dev Firefox. We almost have something like a storefront. Not exactly, but almost. But it's a pretty big but. I want to take anyway. I've got this. Okay, so we're not actually using components anywhere. Let's see. So everywhere we've got lib components like this, we could just say components. Components. Much better, much better. Yeah, I mean, this is a little cleaner that way. We can use our route mapping. Make just a little bit cleaner code this way. There we go. That'll work. That'll work. So SvelteKit wants to use that Routify. Yeah, this is SvelteKit. I don't want to use SvelteKit. I think. Hmm. 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 I think what we can do is let's try this out. If we go to so we got the storefront. This is the storefront. We say a ref. Let's actually see, yeah. And then we say product name. Okay. The product. Cool. So we have to add a this is how we're gonna do it. Products. Forget, we gotta use the tilde. Is it? I thought we just. I guess we use single quote. Single quote. We go back. Okay. So then we will create a product. Rename products. And then we will create, instead of index, we'll just have a product. Svelte, and then in product.svelte, what do we say? Export let product equals string, and then we just say product. And put a slot here, so then when we load it, cool. Now we're getting the actual dynamic pages. So then we have the product page. The question is, how do we pass the whole thing now? Because we need to go from the storefront. When we go to that route, so the problem is if we put all of this let's see. So there's some things we could do here. We could take the product information and we could say we could do this, and here we could say let product images. Yep, there we go. That's exactly what we need. How do we do it here? Why is this using a literal? It doesn't want to use dynamic path. So it is getting the whole path though. Hmm. Can we use Globbeaker? Well, that sucks. Somebody said create a string map. So like if we say product map equals a dictionary of where the hell are they? They're an asset. So if we had like aesthetic media, then this becomes assets. If we have culture, heritage, legacy, and then Roosevelt. Then we could say product map product in that way, and then we could grab the glob that way. Can only use literals, of course. Okay, well then we could say see, why aren't we getting an image? We should be getting an image here. Not just say image. Here we go. Cool. Well, now we have dynamic pages. Took us a little bit to get here, but we do have them now. So this is the storefront, this is the product module.